big old Victorian pot. Super ancient, and you know, because it's got stones in it. This is a massive flower, so it gives you an idea. Now, it's got a hole in the bottom there, which I thought would be perfect for the bees to get in. And then I've put a kale forcer on top, also Victorian. And I've put my old sieve, fine grain sieve in it at the bottom, and some Hackneycloa dried leaves. So, random, I know. There's also another hole there. I'm not going to block them up. You can see there needs to be one. Then I'm going to put a B&Q special on top. And then a lid on top of that. This is the north, you know, tucked away in the Game of Thrones. Cold north beyond the wall, as they say. Next to the new fence and the new hole. I might actually feel like I should add some more warmth and bedding in that. I don't have any mouse bedding or wool or anything, but I've got leaves, and I've watched a queen scouting the leaf mould, so we shall see.